Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get a free tempered glass screen protector and case for your phone. Hello everyone, so if you're looking for a tempered glass and case for your phone, if you're looking for a way to get it for free, in this video we're going to help you out with that. So this is actually just a giveaway video that we're doing. We've never done a giveaway before, so we decided it was about time. We're going to be giving away a tempered glass screen protector and a case of any color for any model phone that you have for free. So all that we ask is that you subscribe to our channel and also like and share your top 5 favorite videos from our channel, and also take screenshots of the share. So once you do that, just comment down below and let us know that you've done it, and we're gonna go ahead and send you a private email asking you for what model phone you use and what color case you prefer, and we will get them ready and ship them right out to you so that your phones are fully protected. This is a nice way to get a free tempered glass screen protector and a case for your phone. So if you are in need of one, I hope you enjoy the video and I hope you take advantage of this. So that's pretty much it. We'll see how this goes. If I see you guys are enjoying the giveaway, then we might do some other giveaways down the road as well. Alright everyone, so I'll see you around in the next video, and as always, peace.
Ciao!